Have you pinned an email so it's always at the top of your inbox in New Outlook, and then all of a sudden your pin item is no longer visible at the top and it has disappeared from the ribbon? Well, I am here to tell you it is not a bug. It is by Microsoft Design. Keep watching and I will tell you what's going on. And I have a hack to keep your pin items always visible. Let's get started. So here's what's happening. Pinned items in New Outlook only stay visible when you're sorted by date. The moment you sort by from or by category or any other option, the pinning capability is entirely unsupported. And the icon is no longer visible from the quick actions, from the right click menu, or from the ribbon. Completely missing in action, and it's by design. I have given Microsoft this feedback. Pinned items should always be at the top, no matter how a user sorts. And if that matters to your workflow, help me out. Use the feedback button in New Outlook and share the same thing. Hope we see it become available soon. Before I show you the hack, New Outlook comes with new workflows. Subscribe to my channel and like this video for more New Outlook tips and tricks. It also helps me continue to produce free content. And if you and your team would like training, visit my website for details. Now, until Microsoft fixes the issue with the pinning emails, you can use categories. So while you're on the date sort option, continue to use the pin icon to pin your important message to the top of the message list. Then you can assign the message to a category. I just happen to call mine pin. This way you can easily assign and unassign the category as needed. Now, check out the results. No matter which sort option you choose, your pinned items are always discoverable when you scroll through the messages. Now, go work your magic.